You care, you go, you support. You musician, you artist, you support other artist. Cause I'm listening to you, are you listening to me? Take some time to discover people just like you want to be discovered. I mean, come on, it's not a big deal, okay? So take some time. Take some time, take some time. Don't be a flake. I spit a little. So, it's about it's about check, take one, take two. It's about using what little you have to do the best with it, okay? So support your local independent artists and those abroad. Not abroad, but abroad, and about. I gotta go now. Bye. He is a captive of our movement. Independent music. They say that people care about local music scene. Do people care about local music scene? As for me, listen to your music. And listen to my music. You want support, you show support, Independent music. You want people eat your food, you eat someone else's food. Make sure they clean in kitchen. You want love, you give love. Music, art, very much important to our scene. Independent music. Yes, I have a message to you out there in listenerland and viewland. Support your local music scene. Support your local music. Support your local music scene. 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 Support your local music. Support your local music. Support your local music.